What'd you guys think? Cody's bike came out pretty cool. It was pretty cool to begin with, so I was really stoked when he chose to come to me to go ahead and swap the bike. Known Cody since I pretty much moved to Las Vegas. Now, you've seen this background one time before, a few episodes ago, at the end of one of the episodes of season 3. Now, where I am right now is Hillsboro, Oregon. I know, I moved. I know I mentioned that I was moving in a previous video. I'm here now. These videos were filmed in May of 2020. So Cody has had a little over a year on this bike and riding it. He says he's still in love with it, still runs really good. I've seen him since, and I have actually raced him with one of my new bikes. So his bike is pretty fast and it's a good bike. Now, to catch you up a little bit really quickly on where I have been, I moved from Vegas back home to Portland, Oregon. Technically Hillsboro, Oregon. So I live here now. I've done a bunch of stuff since I moved. I mean, it is October 24th, 2021. I know, a long time since then. I have built 3 bikes here, and then I've built multiple other bikes or had a hand in other bikes at the shop that I work at. And I work at Scooter Swap Shop. So a couple of you guys I know are from over there and here seeing my videos maybe for the first time, so I appreciate you guys. One big update is we hit 1,000 subscribers. We hit that 2 weeks ago. So that's pretty cool. And I'm not stopping. I know it's been a while since I've done any major MOTO-VATION updates, but don't worry, more videos are coming. There's gonna be a video after this that's not MOTO-VATION because it's a little bit of a break, but there will be a new build coming. It's not my bike though. So I'm gonna be doing a new bike. I'm not gonna give you any hints or anything, but that's coming up. If you follow me on my social medias, you've probably already seen the bikes. You probably already know what the builds are. But if you do know, you probably wanna see the process of these bikes. So the next build on MOTO-VATION is gonna be coming soon. I'm gonna be starting on the rider's block ride literally tomorrow and start editing that. So you should be seeing that footage next week or the week after pretty soon. And then after the rider's block footage is out, I'm rolling right into the new build. So there won't be a big break in between seasons this time. So season 5 is coming and it's gonna be a cool build, something that you haven't seen me build on this series before. So big spoiler, it's not a Grom, but it's something really cool. It actually means a lot to me to do. So I'm really stoked about it. I've been babbling enough. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, let me know how you liked it. And yeah, here's to the next goal, which is 10,000 subscribers. So hit the like button, drop a comment, subscribe. Don't be thirsty, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next video.